Monoprinting, using the drawing technique, is a quick and easy way to produce a single print. First, you will need several different supplies. Plan your sketch so you know exactly what you are doing and can make minimal mistakes. You will also need a printing plate, a brayer to roll your ink, printing ink of any color, a stylus, pen or pencil, and printing paper. Make sure everything is laid out and ready for use to minimize time on your project. Begin your print by rolling ink onto your inking plate using a brayer. Make sure ink is rolled consistently onto the inking plate so that no area is too thick or too thin. Ink that is too thick may cause blotchiness and an unclear image, whereas ink that is too thin may not produce a visible image at all. Once ink is on the plate, use a piece of scrap paper to lift off the excess. Begin with an outline of your sketch and use the drawing tool or stylus to trace around any outlines and shaded areas. The pressure placed on the paper by the stylus produces a print on the other side of the paper. This print can only be produced one time, which is why it is called a monoprint. Mono meaning one. As you trace the contours of your image, you can also use the side of your fingernail to create darker points on your picture, thus creating a type of shading. Hatching and cross-hatching can also be a very effective style of shading in this print. On the left-hand side of this project, you'll see a mistake. The blotching or darker points are caused by pressure as the fingers rest on the paper. Once you are finished with any print, make sure to cut it, trim it, and mount it. Here we demonstrate the elimination of pressure points on your print by using a plastic plate and a ruler to equalize the pressure that would normally be placed on the print with your hands and fingers. As we see in the second example, much of the pressure point has been eliminated. Remember, monoprints can only be created once, so each of these are unique in their own way.